Your Thanksgiving turkey, a culinary challenge or a delicious disaster. The Thanksgiving turkey is a centerpiece, but it's a tricky dish to master. You've likely heard horror stories of dry, overcooked birds or the struggle to carve a perfectly roasted turkey. Even professional chefs face challenges with this holiday staple. But fear not, we are here to uncover the secrets of a Michelin star chef and guide you through the process. Let's start with the basics, cooking time. The duration depends on various factors, as Chef Nancy Silverton, a renowned culinary expert, points out. It's not just about the weight of the turkey, but also the temperature, the parts you're cooking, and whether you're stuffing it. The USDA recommends a precise internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, but achieving this without drying out the meat is an art. And here's where it gets controversial. Chef Silverton's approach is unique. She suggests breaking down the turkey before cooking, a method that might surprise traditionalists. By roasting the breast and braising the thighs separately, she ensures each part is cooked to perfection. This technique prevents the common issue of the breast drying out while waiting for the thighs to cook through. So, should you follow this unconventional method? It's a question that divides opinions. Some argue that the traditional whole roasted turkey is a classic for a reason, while others embrace innovation in the kitchen. What's your take? Are you willing to try something new this Thanksgiving, or do you prefer to stick to time-honored traditions? For those eager to attempt Chef Silverton's method, remember that it's all about precision and timing. Visit the USDA website for detailed cooking times based on your turkey specifics. With this knowledge, you can ensure a juicy, perfectly cooked turkey, ready to take center stage on your Thanksgiving table. Disclaimer: cooking times may vary, and results are not guaranteed. Always practice food safety and use a meat thermometer to ensure your turkey is cooked to the recommended temperature.